In this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at Quick Chick. Here's Deidre Thomas.
We see a real gap, a service gap in fast food in Jamaica. We thought, well, if we can do fast food and do it a little better, we know the back end of the business, we can learn the front end.
And out of that, in 2019, hatched Quick Chick.
When we went to financiers and told them we wanted to start Quick Chick, and they said, boy, if you can just, the quality of service and the speed of service, and that's your competitive edge, everybody agreed. And so that's how we've been building the business.
The company has 2 locations, one smack in the middle of Halfway Tree in the Transport Center, and the latest in Grand Spence St. Andrew.
We have a very simple menu, chicken, chicken or chicken. We have chicken sandwiches with fries and corn and rolls as sides. You can get a home-style chicken with fries and sides, or you can get a spicy chicken with similar.
But after the first store, the CEO says the company was hard hit by the COVID-19 pandemic, with sales plummeting to about 10%.
We cut our teeth on a real hard time there. We had originally planned to do 5 stores in 5 years, but that slowed us right down. So as soon as we got over COVID, within a few months, we opened our second store here at Grand Spence with a drive-through. The first store was walk-in proof of concept. The second store has been a proof of concept for drive-through. And we're happy to say that at both stores, service times run at about 2.5 minutes. From the time you get to the cashier to the time you have your meal in your hand and you're leaving.
Now, with a staff complement of over 20 people, the business is again seeing growth.
We are better than break-even at this point. And that for a brand new business starting off is very good. And the second store sales are equal to or better than the first store sales, and that's within a period of 15 weeks. So we're building the brand. We're not large, we're not well known, and we're slowly building out the brand, getting people to know us.
The company is also cooking up a formula that it hopes will see it soaring higher.
We want to expand with a minimum of debt. So we are building our cash flows to enable us to expand. We'll take on small amounts of debt, but we have to be very careful. You don't want to over leverage yourself. And I think that we will see a couple more stores over the next few years, Our aim is to have not a large, massive stores, but very good stores in prime locations.
With the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.